sun may be the biggest source for sound in the solar system, but next in line is Jupiter. So coming in at number 6 in the top 10 is a medley of strange electronic jazz from Jupiter. Jazz from Jupiter comes to us courtesy of the 2 legendary Voyager spacecraft, now on their epic journey to the edge of the solar system.
The 2 Voyager spacecraft are headed for interstellar space. They're in the very outer edges of the bubble the sun creates around itself. Today, Voyager 1 is 118 times as far from the sun as the Earth is, almost 4 times as far from the sun as Neptune is.
Project scientist Ed Stone has been heading the Voyager mission since its 2 spacecraft made their grand tour of the outer planets, beginning in 1979. On their approach to Jupiter, the first thing each one encountered was the giant planet's bow shock, producing a wind-like sound from the electronic data.
There's a wind blowing outward from the sun at about 1,000,000 miles per hour. It is supersonic. As that wind approaches contact with a magnetic field around, say, Jupiter, it has to go subsonic. There is a sonic shock which forms in front of the magnetic field of Jupiter. That's called the bow shock. It's very much like a sonic shock in front of a supersonic aircraft.
More intriguing than the bow shock is the Jovian chorus, sounding something like the chorus of birds chirping at dawn. Both it and the bow shock come from radio waves generated by fast-moving charged particles within the bubble of Jupiter's magnetic field.